Time to go to the dog park. Oh, there's no garage sale there. Oh, dog first. I'm about to enter a mosquito farm, probably anyway, because you know the bush in the summer, when it's wet and mild and warm like this, means I'm probably going to be eaten alive by mosquitoes. But I want to talk about yard sales for a minute and why people have them. And I think you probably already know. One is because they're moving and they got to clear the space out. Two is probably because they need to clear the space out. But most people have yard sales because they need room. It's not that they need, well, they need to get rid of stuff. That's what's happening. So that's where you're going to find your deals. Now when you go to thrift shops are probably things that people haven't been able to sell at a yard sale, and they're getting rid of them. So you'll find better deals at yard sales, at least in my own 2 cents. That's my own opinion on that. That's my 2 cents worth. Okay, let's walk the dog, go hit a few yard sales, and get this Saturday started. Is that a bug on my head? Get this Saturday started. I think it is. That place is a mosquito's paradise. Like, I am still being swarmed. There's one right in my ear. See it? I'm being swarmed by mosquitoes, so this is not going to happen here. But I just passed a sign that said yard sale starts at 8. It's currently 7:30. I guess that gives me time for a coffee maybe. And my elbow is currently being bitten by a mosquito. Okay, let's go. $7:48 a.m. and here is a family that the yard sale starts at 8 a.m. And you know what? They're making people wait by the looks of it. They're not going to come out the 10 minutes early. Okay, so in this case, everything she was selling, she was then looking up on eBay.
I have to look stuff up
or wherever to see if it was worth selling. So that's, you know, no deals to be found there at all. Yeah, so in this case we got big house and stuff you'd find at a clearance store. I guess down the States you might call it Marshalls. Up here we call them Winners. And they're, you know, it's the kind of stuff that you go into those stores and they take everything from like the big glamour stores, cut the price down to 10% of its value and try and get rid of it. And that's all that stuff was. It was really, I mean, nothing there caught my eyes. Now this is the church sale and it is massive. So we're gonna go take a quick look at it and see what we can find here, if anything. I mean, most of the stuff here is gonna be donations made by people to the church. Viewer for film.
Okay. So what are you willing to offer me for both of these? And what's in your hand?
This is mine. I make videos about yard sales
Okay.
on YouTube. So I was thinking like, well, this is a bit of a, I was thinking like $20 to the pair. So I'm just
Okay.
kind of guessing what
Yep,
it is.
yeah, I know.
That was a big sale. So $20 to the pair. I'm taking a bit of a shot in the dark on one because I don't know what's in it. And you know, it's $20. What have you got to lose? The projector, I couldn't find any comparables on. It's not even a projector, it's a viewer. And I don't see a power cord on it. Now that I'm thinking about it, so I don't even know how the hell it works. Okay, this battery is almost done, and I don't know. Okay, I just gave him all my money, which is like 20 bucks for this box of cassette players. Did I just give away money? Maybe. Certain things are gonna go straight to the garbage, like this. That's garbage. This rubber hose might have a use for that if you're naughty. But it was things like this Sony cassette deck, a Sears cassette deck, there's an Iowa cassette deck, a Pulsar, and a CB radio by Realistic. So, I'm done for the day. I am now officially broke. I only have an Elvis lighter left and like $5 and change. So I am done. I'm gonna head home before the rain comes. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Okay, so today I had $50 this morning, and now I have okay, let's see, I spent $20 at that big yard sale in Stainer, and that's where I got the editor and the surprise box. I spent $10 somewhere else. So I spent $5 on that Audrey Hepburn thing, $5 in the chair, 20 bucks to that box. I lost count. We'll put it all up here. And I'm done. Done for the day. So if you like these kind of videos, leave a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. We shall talk again soon. Keep buying, keep selling, keep hustling. And thanks for coming on this ride with me. Oh yeah, and hit subscribe, hit like if you can, and feel free to follow me at my website, which is consignmentsales.ca. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Now you might be wondering why I bought a webbed lawn chair. Well, let's look up the comparables really quick here, and I paid $5. So tell me what you think.